Yeah, I got hit niggas sick that I'm still here. I'm still on the hill.
Good YouTube, it's srt.javanti. I'm back with another video. Today we're gonna make the car louder. I got Cornerstone Catless mid pipes for the cars. As you guys already know, I got Corsa Extreme exhaust, so it's probably gonna be extremely loud. Hopefully not too loud where you can't hear the supercharger. But let's get into the video of installing it. Alright guys, so you guys gonna definitely probably need this tool to extend the pipe that the mid pipe is gonna go into, because it's gonna be the exact same or a little bit smaller, but it's still not gonna try to go in. So you probably gonna have to expand the pipe. So you definitely probably gonna need this tool like how I had to use. And this is the part number. So you gonna need this, and then you might wanna buy some conch washer that we use a 10mm, and we also use a 10mm 1.5 nut, because once you try to take off the bolts that the mid pipe connects to the header, they have like a stupid design where it has like a little thin metal piece that gets stuck onto the mid pipe to try to hold it in place to be able to take it out, to be able to try to take out the bolt, so it locks it in place so it doesn't back out. So if you use like a power tool, I would say use a wrench or a ratchet to break it, and then use a tool, because if you use a tool like how we did, we broke it. So we had to try to use a ratchet on both sides and try to loosen to try to get it out. It was a pain. So I won't even try to use a gun to do that. But definitely need these. Probably gonna need a 15, 16, 17, 18 wrench, and maybe a hammer to try to get these bolts off, depending on how rusty they are. But I'm gonna get into the video right now. Alright guys, so we on the car right now. About to take off the cats. So as you can see, the cats connects to the X pipe, which we're gonna do from right here to all the way down there to where the header is. We're just replacing this pipe to make it catless. So hopefully this will be easy. Just 2 bolts up there that connects to the header, and then 1 bolt that connects to the X pipe.
Isn't that a Corsa X pipe?
Yeah, the Corsa X pipe.
Corsa exhaust.
And then we also have to unclip the O2 sensor to be able to drop it down. So right now he just sprayed the bolts with WD-40 to try to loosen it up, because it's kind of rusty. To make it a lot more easier to take it off.
Okay, to disconnect the O2 sensor, you gotta pull this red clip back.
Just show them how to do it.
You pull this, listen, the red clip will be like that. You pull it back, and then you squeeze right here. You squeeze this in right here, and just pull it out, and it comes right off.
Same thing you gotta do over here.
The same thing for the next side.
All I did is on this bracket. I don't know if y'all can see that. That bracket right here, it's on top. So it's on top of this bracket. You just pull the tab back. It's plugged out right now, but it's unplugged. It's plugged on top of the bracket. And what you do is you pull the tab back, and then you push down on it, and then I just use the flathead at the bottom of it on the side piece right here, and then I pulled it out. So then it's disconnected, but it's on top of this black bracket. Y'all see that tapping on? Yeah, it's plugged into on top of this top bracket. But I did push it out of this little slot. There's a little 2-prong thing. You use a nose pliers, you pop it out, and then you twist it to the side, and then y'all can see it right there. Yep. Okay, they can see it.
Okay. And then they already put WD-40 on some of the bolts, so we're gonna give it a couple of minutes, and then we're gonna try to bolt these
The O2
out.
sensor, right?
Go.
We're in the right way? Yeah.
Push. Go.
Yeah.
You looking at it?
Yeah. Oh. Okay, keep that. Come in. Okay, so.
Alright, man. Let's do the next one,
I
man.
got 1 screw out, 1 bolt out.
Okay, go.
Go.
Yeah.
Watch out, watch out. You good?
Go. Yo, keep
It's
it.
moving. Okay, give me a. Oh wait, this one. This one here.
Got both of the bolts out. Now we about to do it next count.
Go.
Yeah.
Go. It's coming.
I think so. Yeah,
Go?
Yeah, go. Wait. Why spark? Why is it sparking? Wait.
Why is this working?
Give me some light because I see a thing. This thing just turned up.
Alright guys, so we just got the bolts off of these. They have like a stupid design to where they have this over the bolt that I guess fits onto
back
the
there.
onto like the metal piece to try to give it back pressure to try to back it off the bolt. Which once you put too much pressure drilling it out, it breaks. And then you have to try to find somehow to wedge it in to get it out.
I thought you just had the
So we got it out. So now we about to take the mid pipe out from the X pipe, and then we should be able to pull it out easily.
This is a 17. Yeah. Hold it.
Yo.
Javonti, you put some pressure on it. Man, I'm working now, man. I'm working now. Got the big ones out, man.
Doesn't make sense.
Damn, you guys make the whole exhaust off now.
Go ahead. Y'all don't want no need to come out more?
You guys can drill the whole entire thing out. I got clamps for it. I got new clamps for that.
Okay, so how we get this thing off now?
You gotta pull it.
Yeah, wiggle it. Do one at a time.
Yeah, but you got wiggle and pull. You got wiggle and pull.
Wiggle and pull if you want to.
That's all I'm doing. What you think? I'm just wiggling?
Just don't smack me.
Mac double. It's my double incarnate.
car, and then we'll be able to put it back on the car, and then we can start up and see how it sounds. Alright guys, so we had to use a expansion tool to be able to expand the tailpipe because it's two exact same as the mid pipe. So this will be the part number that you guys have to get, and then you also got the size that it does. Then this is gonna be the tool. Where the tool at?
Right in here.
So this is the tool, so he's gonna start trying to expand it. That's the one.
Expand some more.
Yep, we have to keep pressing and make sure we can stick it all the way in. Like we did for this one already. So we're gonna try to expand it more.
Hold the thing up.
Yeah, I'm holding it.
The whole thing ain't turning. Is the whole thing turning?
What's turning?
The nut, the bolt.
No.
Okay.
Did you tighten it down enough?
Hold on. When you tighten up one side, it'll pull from the other side.
So you have to do it even.
You don't want to do it too much. Okay. Your hand go. You could.
What size was this? A 15, a 16?
I don't know what size.
16, 16, 16.
Okay. We need to get this stuff done now. Get a
We need.
We need the Hang on the thing. There you go.
Don't tighten up too much there, it slants.
Push it up.
That guy's supposed to be right.
I think so, yeah.
Okay. You could get the other side down too. Try tighten up the other side even. That's where that come from.
Alright guys, so we got it in, we tying everything up.
Why is small?
So now we're just doing the O2 sensors
why
now.
Why seems like I have more room here?
Because they don't have the Catless converter anymore.
And then we have to dent it up.
That's
so
why you have
if you guys do have it touched,
modification.
you probably have
to modify it.
You probably have to take it to like a muffling shop and have them bend it a little bit more so it doesn't touch this frame piece.
Alright, so I plugged the O2 sensor back in. I put this piece back in. So it's plugged up, as you guys can see right there. Both of them are plugged up.
Alright guys, so this is gonna be the cold start with the Corsa Extreme exhaust with Cornerstone Catless mid pipes. So let's see what it sounds like.